try to can green beans with one hand. That's it, one hand. This hand's still in the sling. So this ought to be interesting. I'm gonna go through the steps with you. I have pint and half pint sized jars. I would have used bigger jars, but I don't have any upstairs, and this is all I have at this time. My beans have been washed, and I snapped them with one hand, which was quite interesting, and Ray picked them. But this here is the pint size, and here's the half pint size. I call it a little jelly jar size. And here's your canning funnel, and you're gonna want to put your canning funnel in like that. And here is your jar grabber to take a hold of your jar. And you want to use it like this when you lift them in and out. And I'll be lifting mine very carefully. And here is a lid picker upper, and you pick the lid up with this and you set it gently down. Now what we're going to discuss now is you want to check all your jars. You want to check right here if there's any cracks or any chips, because you don't want any of that. That will not seal correctly. So I have gone and I have checked all mine. And then the next step we're going to do, I've got hot water going for my lids, which now you don't have to use hot water on your lids, but I'm from the old school. I just think I got to do it. And I've got the pressure canner going, and we are using, let's see, what am I using today? I'm using the Presto pressure cooker, and I think it holds about 21 pints. So I'll bring you back at the next step, so don't go too far. Okay, I have the beans all washed here. I found this bowl was a little too heavy for me to pick up. So next time I am going to have to do a smaller one. I think we'll do pint sizes first. And we also have the funnel here. Push this back. I'm going to take my hand and just go in. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Just like this. You want about an inch of a headspace. You can go like this, or you can use, I use chopsticks to get down the side, but I'll start with that one for right now. We can always add to it. If you need to, you can always add, which that's a good thing. Got everything heating up right now. Oops, I just found one I didn't take the stem off. I'll show you. Doing it one hand is not easy. But can be done. A lot of things you can do. It's just mind over matter. Not everybody has two limbs, and they either have something to help them out, or somebody helps them out, or they figure out a way to do it. And I'll show you one more here. Just like this. I'm not adding any salt to mine. You can add a teaspoon to salt, and you want to process these at 10 pounds for 20 minutes for a pint size, and I'm doing pint and half pint. Get on a roll here. Ray said, "Do you want me to help you?" But I said, "No, I wanted to do it this morning," and he took off, and then he came in after lunch and said, "You ready?" I said, "Nope." Then I decided I'll do it. I wanted them done. I'm hoping my granddaughter will come and this weekend and pick some, because I'd like for her to get the idea of how it is to can. But I know she's very busy. They have good intentions. That's a little bit too much. They have good intentions, like we all do. And life just gets busy. And here's just a little one right here. Oops. See, the little one for me is just perfect for lunch. If I want to have something for lunch, or just add to a pot pie, or just add something. There. There you have it, right there. And I'll bring you back during the next phase. I just realized I had it on photo and not video. So what I had done is I had put water in the jar and wiped it down. And now I'm just going to put the ring on the jar. See if I can get this one out of the way. A little hard here. Bring this one up. It's got water in it already. This is my little lifter for my lids. Just like this. Put it on. Get a cover. And tighten it right down just like that. So I'll bring you back on the next phase because I don't really have enough room to work one-handed. Hey, can you see that vent right there? Can you see the steam coming up? I've got hard water, that's what's all over the top here. When that steams for over 10 minutes, you want to put that vent top down. And then there's a dial over here. When it gets the pressure 10, that's where you want it for 20 minutes. So when it builds up to 10, I'll start timing 20 minutes and then the beans will be done and I'll bring them out and show you what they look like. Okay, here's the beans all done. They appeared, all the tops seem to be down, but they're still warm, so I'm not going to touch them. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 half pints and 5 pints here in the back. They look absolutely beautiful. I would have done more, but I ran out of rings and I couldn't walk the stairs. But I got some more beans I'm going to do tomorrow. I'll keep track, and from time to time when I'm canning I'll let you know how much I end up doing. But I'm also going to dehydrate some too. But I just wanted to share. I hope you like this video. If you're not subscribed, please don't forget to hit that bell so you'll get all notifications when I make a new video and it comes out. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. Keep the faith, keep the hope, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.